everyone! Thank you for clicking. Today we will use Cardano's method to solve the given cubic equation. Alrighty, so with Cardano's method, the following identity is used to find the solution for any depressed cubic equation of the form x to the third plus bx is equal to c. This is that identity, where b is equal to 3uv and c is equal to v to the third minus u to the third. We're going to solve this by using a system of equations where u and v will be in terms of b and c. Once solutions are found, x is going to equal to v minus u. Alrighty, so we have the following example. Solve the given cubic equation by using Cardano's method. And the given cubic equation is x to the third plus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. In the previous slide, we concluded that our depressed cubic equation can be solved by employing the following identity, where b is equal to 3uv and c is equal to v to the third minus u to the third. Here's our example. To begin with, I'm going to move over the negative 15 to the other side as per how our depressed cubic equation should look. Next, we will set 4 equals to 3uv, which will be our first equation, and 15 equal to v to the third minus u to the third, which will be our second equation. Okay, so once we have this, we can solve for v using our first equation. And we can substitute this into our second equation, like so. When we substitute into our second equation, we're going to get that 15 is equal to 4 over 3u to the third minus u to the third. Once we have this, we can algebraically manipulate this into a quadratic equation, like so. Okay, so first, remove the 64 and place it in the front. Next, we can cancel out fractions by multiplying 27u to the third by its reciprocal on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. So once we simplify that, this is going to equal to 64 minus 27u to the 6 is equal to 405u to the third. We can equal this to 0 and rearrange the terms to get the following. Realize that the latter equation is a quadratic equation of the form negative 27z squared minus 405z plus 64 is equal to 0, where z is equal to u to the third. Once it's in this form, we can use the quadratic formula to find the solutions for z. However, due to the time restrictions, I will have the solutions ready for you, but feel free to pause the video to find them on your own. We will get the following solutions for z, of which we will choose one to solve for u. In this case, I chose the positive z. Now, we will remember that c is equal to u to the third from our previous slide. Hence, we will plug our z into the equation. So now that we plugged our z into the equation, we will have the following. Negative 135 plus square root of 18,993 over 18 is equal to u to the third. We can also say the cubic root of negative 135 plus square root of 18,993 over 18 is equal to u. So now that we have that, we can use our original first equation all the way back at the beginning to solve for v. Remember that b is equal to 4 over 3u. In this case, v is now going to equal to 4 over 3 times whatever is in that parentheses. Next, we will remember also that our identity states that x is equal to v minus u. Now that we have v and we have u, we can plug it in. So once we plug that in, we can use our scientific calculator to derive that x is equal to 1.93 5979 411. And there we have it. That's the answer to our question. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood Cardano's method. Bye bye.